Hey guys, Tim from Tentworld Fishwick here today. Today I'm going to talk about the Steripen Ultra. It's a UV water purification device, and today I'm going to show you how it works and what to do with it. So as you can see here, I've got a cup of water. So with this device, you want to make sure the electrodes are completely submerged, because if it doesn't get submerged, it won't work. So it'll be 1 click for 1 litre, 2 clicks for half a litre. So you want to be putting in the water, give it a stir. You want to keep stirring it until the light turned off. So it's generally 48 seconds per 500 ml, 90 seconds per litre. So the Steripen has a watertight seal on it, so you don't have to worry about the electronics going on you. You want to be using it with clear water from a stream that's running, as cloudy water will get in the way of the UV light. So as you see there, the water's been gone for 48 seconds and it should be purified. With this Steripen, you can also fit it onto your normal store-bought bottles due to its tapered design. So all you do is put it in, press it down a little bit, turn it around. As you see, no leakage. Double press it for half a litre, and you just want to agitate the water a bit, give it a little shake. As you see here, it pulls out, so if you don't have the electrode submerged, it will turn off and give you a sad face. So you know it's complete when the face on the Steripen goes into a smile. It also has a lithium ion battery, so you can charge on the go from your portable charge battery packs or via car. You can also plug it into your laptop and charge it at home. The Steripen protects you against bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Protozoa being your stomach parasites giving you diarrhea and stuff like that. So it's very compact, only weighs about 100 or so grams. The Steripen comes with its own sheath for easy storage and protect the unit itself. Also comes with the charger cord, so you don't have to worry about buying one. You can get attachments for it. So you get the 40 micron fiber bottle attachment. So you get the lid, put that on the lid, and it filters out sediment. It has 8,000 charge light uses, so you can use it 8,000 times. And with the Steripen, it has a lifetime pledge. So you want to go through Steripen, and every 8,000 uses, they'll replace it for you. So that's for every light bulb you get with them. They'll replace it every 8,000 times. Thanks guys, I'm Tim from Tentworld Fishwick. Hope to see you soon.